Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. So starting this analysis by looking at the price action of Bitcoin here in a weekly time frame, we can see very clearly the area where we are finding support right now is this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement area, because this 0.5, which is lying around $46,742, is acting as a strong line of support. Because if the support from this 0.5 is going to get broken, right? If this support of 0.5 is going to get broken, the next possible target according to this Fibonacci line in a weekly time frame is lying around 42,400 area, and that is not what we want to see price doing, right? Because we are aware between this 46,000 range we do have different support lying around for Bitcoin. So in a weekly, what we don't want at any cost is to break below this 0.5 and also this 0.382 Fibonacci line, because if the price break below this 42,000, then we are not going to be bullish anymore, guys. That is a big sign of danger. Why? Because you can see in the past Bitcoin price action, whenever we have seen a bigger pullback, price finding support there at this 50 weekly moving average, relief rally, you can see once the relief rally got rejected, right, we started another downtrend, and that brought us all the way towards this 200 weekly moving average. You can see from 2017, similar scenario, bigger pullback, price found support at this 50 weekly moving average, had a relief rally, and this relief rally also couldn't continue, and after that we started this downtrend that brought us all the way towards this 200 weekly moving average, right? And again here from 2013, guys, you can see bigger pullback, relief rally after finding support at this 50 weekly moving average. Price could not continue any further, another pullback scenario that brought us all the way towards this 200 weekly moving average. So right now, that's why what we don't want this price at any cost in a weekly is to break below this 0.382 Fibonacci line, and that is lying around 42,400 price range. Breaking below this 42,000 range is also going to indicate similar scenario. I mean, a pullback, bigger pullback, relief rally, and again a price continuation to the downside towards this 200 weekly moving average. And this is not what we want price of Bitcoin to do, because we are aware after 5 bullish week in a row, one single bearish week cannot decide where the market is heading, right? So we have to take that into consideration, because you can see, guys, this here is Bitcoin price action in a daily time frame, and I'm using this CPI indicator, because according to the CPI indicator, you can see this line, this green line, is the strongest line of support that is lying around 46,000 price area. So that's why what we said, along with this 0.5, also the CPI line could be acting as a strong line of support. This green line around 46,000 is one important line of support, because breaking this 46,000 support line could also trigger another pullback towards the top CPI line, and that is not what we want price of Bitcoin to do, because this top CPI line is lying around 39,611. because if we do see another pullback towards the top CPI line, then this could also validate this bearish scenario that could play out for Bitcoin, right? Just like here from the past Bitcoin price action. So let's see if the 46,000 and also the 42,000 support line is going to hold the price of Bitcoin or not, because not just only the CPI line, we are also aware the moving averages, the 20 exponential moving average along with this 50 exponential moving average is going to be another important line of support in case if we see any bigger pullback here in the price action of Bitcoin, because we are aware this 50 exponential moving average, if you go back here from the past Bitcoin price action, you can see the 20 was acting as a strong line of support, but once the support of this 20 exponential got broken, price had this bigger pullback, you can see, right? And this bigger pullback found support at this 50 exponential moving average and again started the journey. This 50 exponential moving average along with this 20 was a very important line of support. Once this crossover happened, the 50 exponential crossing over the 20 exponential and also price closed below the moving averages, that indicate a weakness that the price is going to reverse from there on, and this is exactly what happened. In our case, this is still a bullish moving averages crossover, 20 exponential moving average at the top, 50 at the bottom. That's why if we do see a pullback, then we are aware this 20 exponential moving average that is also lying around 46,000 area could be acting as a strong line of support, because this red line, the 50 exponential, is lying around 42,500 area. So that's why now you know why I was saying the 42,000 is one important line along with this 46,000 price range. if we do break below both of these moving averages, that is also going to indicate a clear sign of weakness and price could follow this downward scenario, just like here from the past Bitcoin price action. So let's see how this one is going to play out, because around this 46,000 at this current stage, we do have some different type of support lying around for Bitcoin. And not just only this, guys, if you also remember, we have talked about this Stan Weinstein theory, because according to the Stan Weinstein, after this distribution phase, we start this new downtrend, ending this downtrend after price again start this accumulation phase. And once we break out of this resistance line, the price could be starting this new uptrend. And this uptrend, you can see, is also showing us more of a range bound type of scenario and slowly continue the journey here to the upside. And this is exactly what we are also expecting to happen here in the price action of Bitcoin, because if you look at this price structure here, you can see after this distribution phase, right, after this distribution phase, we also had this downtrend and accumulation phase. So if this is going to play out as a Stan Weinstein, then this price pullback or this more of a range bound type of scenario around this trend line is absolutely normal. So this is exactly what we are also witnessing right now with price action Bitcoin. You can see this trend line is also acting as a line of support. So that's why, guys, do not panic even if we are going to see some more shakeout type of scenario playing out for Bitcoin, unless the important line of resistance and support is not going to get broken. And if you look around this price range in a smaller time frame, you can see here, guys. So yesterday we were looking at this price action using the ascending channel, right? This ascending channel was actually acting as a strong line of support. And now you can see the support here broken, and now the price could be trying to re-enter inside this ascending channel. So if I switch this into hourly time frame, you can see we are trying again to re-enter above this ascending channel. So if this rejection is going to remain, because this line was a strong line of support, right? So in the past Bitcoin price action, we can see here, so if the same line is going to act as a resistance, then we can still expect some more pullback type of scenario around this 46,000 price range. But this doesn't mean the market is also going to be completely bearish as soon as we get rejection from here, because we can see around this price range, if I use this Fibonacci line from this swing low till the swing high area, you can see this price pullback could end after reaching the golden pocket area. And this golden pocket, the 0.618, is lying around $46,460. So that's why, guys, that's why around this 0.618 or around this 46,000 with different scenarios which I just showed you right now, right, we do have some strong line of support lying around for Bitcoin. So these are some of the scenarios what I wanted to share with you in today's episode. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.